Tasmania, the southernmost Australian state, is home to a spice sensation, the Tasmanian Native Pepper. A rainforest treasure, the bounty of this native Tasmanian is finding its way to the tables of the old world. The unique spicy and fruity flavour is exciting gourmands and chefs alike. Unlike conventional pepper, both the berries and the leaves are used in production. The pepper's heat comes from an unusual flavour compound found in only a few plant species. Ongoing research into the plant's unique spice and flavour chemistry is arousing great interest in world gourmet food markets and signals an exciting future for the Tasmanian native pepper. Diemen Pepper is a major producer of native pepper products. An innovative Tasmanian-owned business, Diemen Pepper is based in southeastern Tasmania. Chris Read, one-time academic and horticultural researcher, formed the business in 1994. Since then, he has been developing production capacity, processing technologies, and markets for his favourite South Sea spice. Essential Oils of Tasmania, known as EOT, is also a wholly Tasmanian-owned company, specialising in high-quality essential oils, extracts and derivatives. EOT has been supplying its products to major flavour and fragrance companies in Australia and overseas for over 25 years. Some of EOT's exciting new products include a suite of extracts derived from the leaf of the Tasmanian native pepper. Rich in the unique hot-tasting compound polygodiol, the extracts also deliver a host of other volatile flavour and fragrance compounds. The Tasmanian native pepper is found naturally in the rich red soils and high rainfall areas of northwestern Tasmania. This fertile region provides Diemen pepper with a consistent and sustainable supply of leaf and berry. Chris Read from Diemen Pepper explains further.
In the cool temperate rainforests of western Tasmania, there's a plant which grows commonly wherever there's been disturbance. It's the native pepper, the Tasmanian native pepper. It grows wherever there's been a tree fall in the rainforest canopy, and so it's very common around the edges of the forest and wherever land has been cleared for farming or forestry. The pepper's a member of a very small family of plants which were common on the Gondwanan supercontinent in the South Pacific, which drifted off in various directions to form the Pacific Basin. And so the descendants of that of those original species are now commonly found in South America, in Australia, New Zealand and in the Philippines. The plant's got some very interesting characteristics, not least of which is its hot, spicy flavour, and that's why we're collecting it today. What we're doing is we're harvesting both the leaf and the berries from these trees, and so it's very important to us that we do that sustainably, so we make sure that we don't cut any more leaf from the trees than they can bear, and that when we harvest the berries we usually leave quite a proportion of berries on the trees. And what we're doing here is we're taking the youngest foliage away, and you can see there there's a previous cut probably from some years ago, so that the bush has recovered very vigorously there. You can see all that young stem growth with plenty of nice fresh young leaves.
Diemen pepper has the capacity to dry up to 2 tonnes of fresh leaf or berry every 3 days in a purpose-built warm air dryer. Fresh berries or harvested foliage are dried using powerful fans and LP gas heating to ensure rapid and efficient removal of moisture. This reduces the potential for development of moulds and yeasts and ensures superior colour and flavour in the finished product. After drying, leaves are removed from the twigs and sorted before storage for later processing. Berries are cleaned using specialised equipment before packing into secure bags for storage. EOT uses the dried milled leaf from Diemen pepper and through a range of extraction techniques is able to produce 3 distinct native pepper extracts. These are the concrete and absolute extract, as well as the new super concentrated pale refined product. Stock of these products is available all year round. The Tasmanian native pepper is marketed through Diemen Pepper and is available in a variety of forms. Air-dried pepper berries are typically used as an exotic alternative to the conventional pepper. The air-dried berries can be supplied as a milled product more suited to a manufacturing application. Alternatively, freeze-drying of berries results in a beautiful magenta colour, while the whole berry can be rehydrated easily. The freeze-dried berry can also be supplied as a milled powder, perfect for manufacturing. For many applications, the dried leaf, either coarse or fine, will provide most of the flavours and the hot compound polygodial in a more economical format. Tasmanian pepper berries and pepper leaf find their way into a diverse range of foods. These high-quality ingredients add a special character, and for food manufacturers they add a unique and distinctive flavouring. The high potency of the EOT extracts broadens the range of food applications for the native pepper. The extracts have a spicy aroma with a hint of cinnamon, overlying a background of pepper and the Australian bush. As a flavour, they are hot and spicy with a delayed but persistent heat. The extract is ideally suited for addition to olive oils, cheeses, small goods and beverages. However, more and more applications are being found for this wonderful Tasmanian spice extract. Diemen Pepper is committed to the highest quality products. All batches are examined carefully before delivery and are assessed for freshness, flavour and aroma, and freedom from foreign plant material. The drying of the product is monitored throughout to ensure maximum efficiency and thorough drying. Dried leaf and berry are tested for dryness with the target minimum 93% dry matter. Batch samples are taken of all product batches and stored for reference. Microbiological analysis is conducted on a subsample, and these results are available to the customer on request. At EOT, all batches of extracts are tested on site using gas chromatography and sensory analysis. This ensures compliance with product specifications and delivers a consistent quality product. EOT holds quality assurance certification ISO 9001 for all of its products. Diemen Pepper and essential oils both participate in an ongoing program of research and development. Both companies have a long history of working with federal government research programs and are members of ANFIL, the Australian Native Food Industry peak body. ANFIL manages an ambitious research program for native pepper and several other native species. Some of the exciting new discoveries include very high levels of antioxidants and other nutritionally significant compounds in the leaf and berry, ongoing work on the flavour chemistry of the leaf extract, and the use of native pepper as a natural food preservative. Research to measure the diversity of the wild population has already assisted in the selection of promising clones with unusually high levels of polygodial. Further details of native pepper research, including comprehensive reports and current developments, are available on request. With the highest quality dried leaf, pepper berries and concentrated extracts backed by years of research, Tasmanian Native Pepper products offer unique and versatile opportunities for gourmet food producers worldwide. The spice has a unique flavour, and new research is revealing other beneficial properties all the time. Have your customers experience a new spice sensation, Tasmanian Native Pepper.